Hello, I'm Scotty.
Hey, I'm Melinda, and we are Simple Life Big Adventures.
We are in Munising, Michigan today.
And we are on the banks of Lake Superior. Well, almost. The banks are that way. But we're going to do a Pictured Rocks cruise today. We're going to go 32 miles, probably 16 miles out from the dock. We're going to see the beautiful sandstone cliffside that makes up the Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. For this particular cruise, you probably want to order your tickets online ahead of time. They do sell out quickly. Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
This is the old East Channel Lighthouse. She's no longer in operation. She was built here back in 1867 of the old schoolhouse design, and obviously they call it that. There were 10 other lighthouses of the same design built around the Great Lakes right after the Civil War. They turned the kerosene lamp out on this one for the last time in 1907. It was replaced by the Munising range light. On our way back in towards the dock, I'll point those out to you. This is Miner's Castle. Miner's Castle is the only rock formation in the park that you can get to by car. This is Bridalveil Falls. Obviously she's just kind of trickling right now. You can tell from that stain there at the bottom how it really flares out like that. When she's flowing pretty good, it does look like a Bridalveil. That's really gorgeous. There's always the caves of all colors. Very next point here on our right, you can visualize his nose a couple feet up off the water. His left eye just above his nose.
Oh, yeah.
Pirate.
It's the pirate face.
Oh yeah. Those of you that purchased the yellow round trip tickets, you're just fine. For the rest of you, the rope ladders will be dropping down shortly for your departure.
Guys, wasn't that a beautiful cruise? This was the second time we had done this cruise, and we have thoroughly enjoyed both times.
So if you're in Munising, Michigan and you want to experience Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, the boat tour is probably the best way to get that experience.
We have so many more places that we want to take all of you to see. So if you want to keep up with where we are, hit that subscribe button below.